be smoking weed whenever we breathe, every time you kiss.
Hey Slayers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Twezzer and I'm back again with another video. So today's video is my I don't think it's highly requested, but a requested video, and this is my how to apply false eyelashes, you know, how to apply lashes, strip lashes at that. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, you know, please give it a big thumbs up, and also before you start watching this video, pause and please hit the subscribe button down below, you know, join my slay squad, and also comment some video ideas if you got, comment some video ideas that you guys want to see from me in the future. And yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so the things that you will need are some tweezers. This is one of the main tools that you need, and this is just a basic tweezer, your lash glue, and this lash glue that I'm using is the Revlon Precision Lash Adhesive, and this is a brush on lash glue, one of the best lash glues out there, guys, the best lash glue out there. You need a pair of lashes. These are just some Aliexpress lashes. I don't always wear these lashes, guys, but because I'm doing this video today, I'm just going to use these. You need a very small compact mirror, but this is my It Cosmetics blush mirror. I don't want to blind you guys, but it's this small. And also you're going to need a pair of scissors. They have smaller eyelash scissors that they call eyebrow scissors that they use to cut lashes, but I can't find mine, so I just have to use some regular scissors. So yeah, those are all the tools that you're going to need. And also you're going to need your mascara, and the mascara that I'm using today is the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and that is all you're going to need to apply your lashes, guys. The first thing you want to do is apply your mascara. So what I want to say to you guys is that if you guys have normal eyelashes, like they're not too curly and they're not too straight, you don't have to use an eyelash curler, because I don't use an eyelash curler and my lashes blend perfectly. I don't have an eyelash curler, to be frank with you guys, to be real. I don't have an eyelash curler, but my eyelashes are not too curly and they're not too straight. They're just the right, you know, I don't know, you know, they're just right. But if you guys have very straight lashes, I recommend that you guys get a eyelash curler, because that will help to blend the false lash and your lash more seamlessly. But if you just have normal eyelashes, you don't really need a eyelash curler. And also if your eyelashes are too curly, like they are literally like curled to your lid, I recommend you still getting a eyelash curler, but turn it upside down to help straighten them out a little bit, because I don't think you have a eyelash straightener. I don't think you have that, but a trick that people use is to turn their eyelash curler upside down and straighten their lashes out. So that will help to create the to show your lash line a lot more. So the first thing you want to do is take your mascara and apply it to your lashes. And I'm gonna apply it to my bottom lashes as well. And that's about it, guys. So the first things first that you want to do is take your lashes out. So these are my lashes, and you know, set which one is for each eye. So this one is for this eye and this one is for this eye. So you have to like put it in front of, you know, how your eyes are actually set up, because if you just do it like this, you'll use this one which is actually for this eye on this eye. and it will, you know, look a little bit funny depending on how the lashes are. So how you want to take off your eyelashes is use your thumb and actually just pull it really slowly off, you know, fold the casing and pull on your lashes really slowly until they are completely off. So the next step is to rest the lashes on top of your lash line to see exactly where the lashes are too long. If they're not too long, that's perfect. You know, that means that you have really nice eyelids. But you know, if your eyes are a little bit smaller, you want to rest it on top of your lash line and straighten them up. You don't want it too much in your inner corner or too much on your outer corner. So just rest it on top of your lashes just to see where you need to cut it. So I have to cut off a little bit from the end. Guys, when you're cutting your lashes, you do not cut from the inner part, you cut from the outer part. So when you're lining up your lashes, make sure that it's perfect from the inner corner and then you cut from the outer corner, because if you cut from the inner corner, it will mess up your whole entire lash style and you won't get the same effect. So you have to cut from the outer corner, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm cutting a little piece off. From the outer corner so that it will fit my lashes a lot better. And you just snip off the end and then measure your lashes, and then they're perfect. And then you just do the same exact thing with the next pair of lashes. Next thing that you want to do is take your lash glue. Mine is almost out, guys, so please forgive me. I might be struggling in this video. Here is the applicator, and you're just going to apply a thin coat onto the lash band, adding a little bit of extra product to the inner and outer corners, because those are the corners that, you know, lift up easily, because you know your eyes might water or any little thing might cause them to lift easily. So this is how thin the product should look on the lash band. I don't know if you can see that. You're just going to place your tweezer in the smack in the middle of your eyelashes and let it sit for like 30 to 40 seconds, because sometimes 30 seconds is too short. So I normally use it, leave it for 40 seconds. So you just want to come like this or blow on it because it's your lashes. So yeah, and then you want, when you have your mirror, you're going to turn it down like this. Look down on the mirror so it should be underneath your nose. The mirror should be underneath your nose, and you should perfectly see your lash line through your lashes. And then you're just going to apply the middle first. So you're going to attach it to the middle of your eyelashes first, and then go to the outer corners by lifting up the eyelash, because you don't want to set it onto your actual lashes. Because guys, trust me, if you get lash glue on your lashes, you will be crying. That hurts. So, and then you go to the outer corner and stick it right there. Then you are going to take your tweezers and turn them like this horizontally and pinch your lashes together with your real lashes. Just pinch them. You're gonna take your fingers and pinch them together, and then you're basically finished. And then you're just gonna do the same exact thing to the next side. Okay guys, and that is about it. You can reapply mascara if you like, just for extra coverage, you know. You can reapply mascara if you like. So I'm just going to apply some more just for the sake of this video. And yes guys, that is basically it on how to apply false lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. I hope this actually helps you to apply lashes quick and easy, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let's get this video to at least 30 likes, and I'll do a next video like this, or a next how to. If we get it to 30 likes, let me know down below what you guys want me to do next, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye Slayers.